How to fix TikTok voice effect not working. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok voice effect not working. So to fix TikTok voice effects not working, try recording your video natively within the app rather than uploading from your camera roll. Just open your TikTok app, then tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and then tap here to record your video. Now, once recorded, tap the check mark and select voice from the right hand menu to apply your effect. Now, select your effect, and then once you select your effect, tap save. Now, the next thing what you can do is clear your cache. Just open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on three-line menu at the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to cache and cellular section, then tap on free up space. Once you tap on free up space, tap clear next to cache. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.